Christmas lights are shining oh so bright everywhere.
Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm bringing you a evening here in my home. It's been a really long time since I've done one of these, so I felt the urge to just pick up the camera and just spend the evening with you guys. So I want to put some fresh sheets here on the bed. I did pick up some beautiful Christmas winter style sheets, and I was sorting laundry earlier in the day, got sidetracked, and this is as far as I got. So we went ahead and put that laundry away, and if I'm being honest, everything got put away except for the things that needed to be put on hangers. That just seems like tomorrow's problem. I just didn't have it in me. I had quite the week. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, you know that. But we got the bed cleared off, and these are the really beautiful sheets I picked up from Target. I believe they are Threshold. I got them in a king size. They're just a beautiful green color with Christmas hollies and berries on them. Very, very beautiful. So we're gonna put these on the bed. I'm really sad I didn't get around to decorating my bedroom for Christmas this year. I was there, I intended to, and life just happened, and that's okay. So I'm gonna find some joy in putting some festive sheets on here, maybe a pillow, light a candle, and we're just gonna call it a day, you guys, and that's okay. Not everything needs to be done at 100% to enjoy it. Within the last few months, I did a full dedicated video on how to make your bed just look nicer, more designer, more high-end, more fancy. And if you have a pillow that is too small for the pillowcase, I just fold them inward like this, and look, now it looks all nice and tidy. And then of course, I always have to mist my linens with a linen spray. I feel like that is such a special touch, and this one smells like caramel pecan. I heard my oven beep and it was done preheating, so I wanted to come downstairs. I'd gotten my chicken in the oven already. You guys will see it in just a second. And now I wanted to throw in the biscuits. We're gonna be doing a breaded style chicken with biscuits, butter and jam, green beans, and it was so good. I will show you guys the after when everything is all done. It was very delicious and so easy. I wanted to show you guys, if we have time tonight, I'm going to try and bake these. They are gingerbread cookie dough, like pre-prepared. You just put them on a sheet. I thought those would be really fun. And then we did sugar cookies last week, but I still have some dough left, so maybe we'll do more of those. And then I grabbed these a few days ago from Target. Let me know if you guys have tried this yet. Very mixed reviews. You either love it or you hate it. And then this is a flavor that I haven't tried yet either, but this is on the agenda for tonight if we have time, and maybe some gingerbread house making. Thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video and making this video possible. Skillshare is the largest online learning community with a wide variety of topics like photography, interior design, music, and so much more. This platform was designed by creatives for creatives, providing industry experts that are bringing you bite-sized courses that help you learn at your own pace by a learning by doing approach. When you complete a course, you can earn certificates and even badges when you submit a class project. I have been wanting to learn more about growing my online presence and SEO, so I was able to find a course on algorithms and keywords and hashtags to teach me step-by-step on how to grow my Instagram organically. The first 500 people to use my link below in the description box will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare, and thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Liberty had an accident, puppy life, so I'm gonna come in here with my carpet cleaner and go over Ryland's carpet in here. Normally I don't come in here because my boys are at the age where I'm trying to give them their privacy if they want it, but told me I can come in here and take you guys with me and clean up the carpet so that way you can freshen it up. So Liberty doesn't keep having accidents in here. So we're gonna run this over it really quick. It's actually has some sort of technology where it actually dries the carpet as you're cleaning it. So it doesn't require hours and hours to dry. So we have a few hours until bedtime. So I expect this will be fully dry by the time anyone needs to walk in here. So I'm gonna go in there and knock this out with this carpet cleaner really quick. And hopefully it'll take away any type of smells for Liberty so she doesn't keep coming in here to have accidents again. Speaking of, there's the culprit in the other bedroom. What are you doing in there, lady? Having a puppy in the house has been so wonderful, you guys, but that doesn't mean it doesn't come with challenges. The last few nights, she has woken us up a few times, either to go out or she was just, you know, I don't know, unsettled in her crate, or she got too warm and was panting. I don't know, but she had an accident here in Ryland's room, as you guys know. So luckily I have my handy dandy carpet cleaner. So no harm done. I just went over his room with the carpet cleaner. It's all clean and fresh, and I'm just so thankful I have this thing because it is so wonderful for pets and accidents, or even just keeping everything fresh and clean. So I just took the time that, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes it took in here to go over his carpets. And it's something I've been meaning to do anyways, but I guess Liberty just gave me the push to get it done. Dinner is done, so I'm going to start putting everything out. I love to just kind of arrange everything on the counter, and then everyone can just kind of grab from there. So I'm going to let you guys watch while we go ahead and set up dinner. Last video I mentioned how I am just struggling to get in the Christmas spirit. Like, I feel like I'm forcing it and I want it to happen. Maybe it's just this phase in life that I'm in, but it just doesn't feel like the cheery, happy season that I'm very excited about usually. So I'm trying to do some baking and Christmas shopping and wrapping, and we're gonna go look at Christmas lights, and I want to go walk around the mall and, you know, go in all the stores, and everything's all decorated for Christmas. I'm gonna try, but just really doesn't feel the same this year. And a lot of you said that you felt the same way. I am working on dinner cleanup and the cookies are baking. The boys did offer to pitch in and help clean up from dinner, but on days that I film, I just knock it out myself. So I told them to go play, and I would let them know when the cookies were done, and then we could decorate the cookies together. And so sometimes I just kind of like a moment to myself, even though I'm still cleaning and momming. Sometimes it's just nice to kind of like have a minute, have no one be in the way, and you could just knock it out a little bit faster. But I got it done, and we are going to move on and decorate some of these gingerbread cookies. These were actually really, really good, and the boys had a lot of fun. We also had a Christmas movie on in the background, and then I did get a ALEXA, I don't want to say it out loud and make yours go off, as an early Christmas present from my husband. I love to tell her to play Christmas music randomly, and so I've been having a lot of fun with it, and we snagged it on a Black Friday deal. So that was another one of my Black Friday finds. That was a lot of fun, and that I'm getting a lot of use of. I've been wanting one for a while. I wanted to show you guys teachers' gifts. I do have a 7th grader, and he has 7 teachers, so that can add up. So we're just doing some of these little candy boxes. So when we were done decorating cookies, we went ahead and worked on those. And then the layered bedding that I wanted to use to go to bed tonight was actually done in the dryer. So I'm putting this nice warm blanket on top of the sheets because I was waiting on this when we did the bed earlier, and things are starting to move through the laundry, and I can come up here and put our bed back together so we can crawl into it this evening.
Gloria in excelsis Deo, Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing.
After a long day, it's just so nice to know that you have a nice cozy bed to crawl into. Like I said, things have been a little chaotic and stressful, but I am starting to come out of it. I've got a solution in place, I've got a plan, and now I'm just trying to do what I can here at home. And I know sometimes life can be really, really stressful, but sometimes things are just out of your hands, and you just have to take things day by day and handle things within your control and let the rest go. So if you needed to hear that today, I needed to hear it myself, and I'm going to be the one to tell you that. So handle things that you can be in control of, and give yourself a minute and go enjoy a space. Like, to me is my bedroom tonight. I'm going to cozy in, I'm going to take a hot shower, wash my hair, put on some ambiance, some Christmas music, and then settle in. And I think I'm going to continue to take one of my courses on Skillshare, because I love knowing that that is something that I carve out for myself. And as a mom, you guys know, there's nothing really we have for ourselves. So you really want to find something that is for you at the end of the day. After a nice, long, hot shower, it felt so good to get my hair washed, and then I know I'm going to be climbing into just nice, clean sheets, and I love that it's all Christmas themed. These are my new Christmas PJs. I absolutely love how like girly and feminine they are, and I'm just going to kind of show you guys my nighttime routine of kind of settling in at the end of the day. I love to shower the day off at the end of the day, and like I said, climbing into a bed with a clean body is just the best ever. So did some skincare, and now I'm going to be taking care of my hair. I didn't have it in me to blow dry, but this was actually still early in the evening, and my hair does just fine by air drying. So if I can let it air dry and not damage it with a blow dryer or heat, I try and give it that opportunity. So I'm going to kind of settle in for the night and then go downstairs, and I will take you guys along with me.
Excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see Him whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Excelsis Deo,
Liberty wanted to cuddle and watch my course with me, so I let her up here, but of course she's got a short attention span, so she quickly traded me in for her toy down here on the floor. But thank you so much for spending the evening with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I really loved making it. It was so cozy, and this time of year, it was really, really fun. I wanted to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I hope you guys have a beautiful and safe New Year. I also wanted to remind you guys that I will have a link for Skillshare down below in the description box, where the first 500 people to use my link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Thank you so much again for hanging out today, and I'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye, friends.